The Russian Ministry of Defense has green-lighted a plan to upgrade its existing Mi-28 helicopters to the deadly Mi-28NM standard. A plan for modernizing old Mi-28N, Mi-28NE and Mi-28UB helicopters to the level of the latest Mi-28NM gunships has been approved by Russia's Defense Ministry. Vitaly Shcherbina, chief designer of the combat helicopters program at the Mil and Kamov National Helicopter Center. Since 2015, we have been developing a plan to modernize baseline Mi-28N, Mi-28NE and Mi-28UB helicopters to the level of the functional capabilities of Mi-28NM rotorcraft. This plan has been agreed upon with military authorities and approved by a Russian deputy defense minister. It stipulates upgrading helicopters in the course of their major repairs. The upgrade envisages outfitting Mi-28N, Mi-28NE helicopters with dual control, individual protection kits and a modernized optoelectric target sight system similar to that on the Mi-28NM. This effort also stipulates installing a next-generation onboard radar station and expanding the armaments with light multipurpose missiles, bombing weapons and new-generation rockets, and adding an option to operate in conjunction with unmanned aerial vehicles. Meanwhile, it is forecast that the upgrade of Mi-28N and Mi-28UB baseline helicopters is economically advantageous and expedient to maintain the combat potential of a grouping of Army aviation attack gunships. The Mi-28NM can also launch UAVs including kamikaze drones. The Mi-28 is a new generation attack helicopter that functions as an air-to-air and air-to-ground partner for the Mi-24 Hind and Ka-50 Hokum. The 5-blade main rotor is mounted above the body midsection. Short, wide, tapered, weapon-carrying wings are mounted to the rear of the body midsection. 2 turboshaft engines in pods are mounted alongside the top of the fuselage with downturned exhausts. The fuselage is slender and tapers to the tailboom and nose. It features tandem, stepped-up cockpits, a cannon mounted beneath the belly, and a non-retractable tricycle tail wheel-type landing gear. Due to the energy-absorbing landing gear and seats, the crew can survive a vertical fall of up to 12 meters per second. The Mi-28 has a fully armored cabin, including the windshield, which withstands 7.62 and 12.7 mm armor-piercing bullets and 20 mm shell fragments. The helicopter design is based on the conventional pod and boom configuration, with a tail rotor. The main rotor head has elastomeric bearings and the main rotor blades are made from composite materials. The tail rotor is designed on a biplane configuration, with independently controlled X-shaped blades. A new design of all-plastic rotor blades, which can sustain 30 mm shells, is installed on the Mi-28N night attack variant. It is equipped with 2 heavily armored cockpits, a windshield able to withstand 12.7 to 14.5 mm caliber bullets, in-nose electronics, and a narrow X-tail rotor, 55 DEG, with reduced noise characteristics. It is powered by 2 2,200 horsepower Isotov TV-3 TN014 turboshaft engines. While the Mi-28 is not intended for use as a transport, it does have a small passenger compartment capable of carrying 3 people. The planned purpose of this is the rescue of downed helicopter crews.